Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Charge the iPhone to at least 50% or plug in, connect to stable Wi-Fi, and free up 510 GB. Backup now to iCloud or to your computer via Finder so you can restore if needed. Once done, go to Settings, General, Software Update. The device will check for iOS 17. Tap Download and Install to start. You may be asked for your passcode. This initiates the secure download and prepares the device for installation. As the update downloads, you should monitor progress and avoid switching networks because interruptions can corrupt the package. When the download finishes, choose Install Now for immediate update or Install Tonight so auto updates installs while you sleep. Make sure the phone stays unlocked and connected to power. The installer verifies the package and prepares a temporary snapshot of system data for rollback if needed. You might see multiple restarts and a progress bar. This is normal, so be patient and don't force shutdown. After installation, follow the on-screen setup. Sign in with your Apple ID, review privacy choices, and enable features like Focus or SharePlay. Once you land on the home screen, verify settings right arrow general right arrow about shows iOS 17 and confirm storage. Make sure apps update in the App Store. Restart the phone if you see glitches. If the device fails to boot or behaves badly, use recovery mode on a Mac or PC and restore from your backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.